An egg sandwich contains protein, starch and fat. Protein in the egg, starch in the bread and fat in the margarine. When you put food in your mouth, it's starting a journey through your digestive system. The digestive system is a tube-like structure up to 9 meters long, running from the mouth to the anus. Some nutrients are made up of large molecules. These have to be broken down into molecules small enough to dissolve in your blood. Only then can your body use them. This process is called digestion. Digestion starts in your mouth. Your teeth are designed to physically break up food into smaller pieces. At the same time, saliva is released. This moistens the food and contains the digestive enzyme amylase. When you swallow a mouthful of food, it's pushed down your throat into your esophagus. The esophagus leads from your mouth to your stomach. Muscles in the wall of the esophagus contract, pushing the food along. This process is called peristalsis. You can't feel this muscular contraction, but that doesn't mean it isn't happening. To examine the digestive system, doctors can give patients a barium meal. This contains barium sulfate, which shows up black on an X-ray image. The progress of the barium meal can be followed on a screen. It takes about 6 seconds for a mouthful of food to reach the stomach. This model shows the typical size and shape of your stomach compared to your other organs. The stomach has elastic walls which stretch as the food collects inside. Every now and again, the stomach muscles contract to churn the food. In the folded lining of the stomach, there are many gastric pits. Each pit contains a gland which produces gastric juice. Gastric juice is acidic and contains the digestive enzyme pepsin. Pepsin works on protein, like in eggs. Food spends 3 to 4 hours in your stomach. Once it's been turned into a liquid, it's released into the first part of the small intestine. Mixing with it is pancreatic juice released from the pancreas. This juice contains amylase, protease and lipase. Amylase completes the digestion of starch. Protease continues the digestion of protein. The margarine in the sandwich contains fat. This is now digested by the lipase. By now, all the digestible material from your sandwich has been broken down into smaller molecules. These are small enough to pass through the lining of the intestine into your blood. The inner surface of the small intestine is lined with thousands of tiny projections called villi. The molecules of digested food can pass into the cells lining the villi and then into the bloodstream. This process is called absorption. The thousands of villi increase the surface area of the small intestine. The intestine wall is also folded, so further increasing its surface area for absorption. Some food can't be broken down and absorbed. Most of this is fibre. It stays in the gut, eventually passing out of the body through the anus. However, its passage through the body is not a waste. It helps keep the whole digestive system working effectively. Which part of the egg sandwich is, in the end, indigestible?